Hi friends, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Surabhi Multi Creations. Today I am making healthy recipe moong dal dosa. Please watch this. Don't skip. First of all, moong dal soak it for 3 hours. Next, take a mixie jar. Add soaked moong dal. Add curry leaves and green chilli. Add garlic cloves and cumin seeds. And ginger pieces. Adding salt. Add half glass water. Grind it well, fine paste. After grind, take it in a bowl. Mix it well. Rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, pan on the stove. Not add oil. Make the dosa. Next, add chopped onion. Add chopped green chilli. Add 1 spoon oil. Fry it well. After fry, turn the dosa. Next, add half spoon oil. Fry it well, medium flame. Garma garm, healthy breakfast, moong dosa ready. Ready to be served. I hope like this video. Please support our channel. Like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.